I will focus on IKB syndrome. So actually, what is IKB syndrome? I know better, or I know everything. This is the common disease nowadays that people says, I know everything or I know better than you. The day you think you know everything, that day is called the death of your growth. The day you think you know everything, that day is called the death of your growth. Remove the gap between knowledge and implementation. Write at least 3 success rituals that will change your life. So please write now. Write 3 success rituals. If you practice them daily, there will be improvement in your life. You have to improve these rituals in your life, then you will prove yourself automatically. We all have equal time to become unequal. Come on, again, we all have equal time to become unequal. All big people like Bill Gates, Neil Armstrong, Newton, and other successful people had the same 24 hours, but their thinking and responsibility power was higher. Nobody in the world will capture everything in the same way. When you change the way you look at the things you look at will change. When you change the way you look at the things you look at will change. Responsibility is the only thing which we are not given but taken. You need courage to think big. When your credibility grows, your profitability grows. Either you grow or go, life keeps accelerating. You have to think, where are you right now? What changes you are bringing in your life? If you continue doing what you were doing last year, you will continue getting what you were getting last year. Without improvement, you cannot remain successful. Improve your daily life by learning new things and proving yourself. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching it.